Good morning and a pleasant morning to all of you. So we are back again in today's Genius session. So myself Karishma Manglani, along with we have a guest. Hi Akshra ma'am.
Hello, Karishma ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Our kids are waiting. What will be
Yes.
teaching today in this Genius session?
Yes, ma'am. You are absolutely right. Everybody is waiting for the genius session every day, every morning. And today we have very interesting topic.
Okay. I mean it's a suspense for me also. Even I don't know what you have planned.
Yes, today we are going to talk about something which you always love to eat.
Eatables.
Yes, you guessed the right ऑप्शन यस आपने बहुत सही गेस किया करिश्मा मैम आज हम ईटेबल्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ईटेबल्स
Yes, I know. We have a bakery. We have a bakery item like cookie, cakes, breads. Then we have a junk food which we go and eat on streets. Like we have pizza, we have a dosa, then we have a idli sambar, and then one is healthy food which our mama used to say and like green vegetables, fruits, and then we have some different varieties in drinks also. Some are healthy drinks like fruit. You can have a different flavor. Mine favorite is strawberry. Then we have juice and we have a shakes also. We have a
yes
milkshake which mama prepares for us.
oh wow Karishma ma'am you have given all the information to our kiddos so let us see what eatables we are going to see today okay and we'll play a game where whatever picture comes you have to answer your favorite of that right so अगर आपको कोई एक ईटेबल का पिक्चर दिखता है तो आप अपना फेवरेट ईटेबल हमसे शेयर करेंगे and you can ask the same to me as well okay
Okay.
so here we go oh what are these yum yum
Fruits. And mine
yes
favorite is red apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
oh wow I also love fruits because fruits are very healthy and it has lots and lots of fiber and my favorite fruit is the one in the green and a big one that is
Watermelon.
watermelon yes you are right Karishma ma'am it has lots and lots of fiber and
And
water
water.
yes and we can see so many fruits here fruits gives us vitamins minerals and there is lot of fibers okay what is next
Okay, after fruits it comes times of vegetables. Okay,
okay
we have so many vegetables here and main are green. You know what? Mine favorite is not here.
oh which one do you
It's
like
ladyfinger. I
oh
love
yes
ladyfinger.
oh wow and which is my favorite vegetable ma'am I love all these because these are salad vegetables and salad vegetables are used in pizza in salad in sandwiches and we can add them to yummy breakfast also so I love capsicum I love cucumber I love tomatoes carrot everything I love so I can eat all the vegetables. Okay. So let us see
Okay.
what
Okay, what next is for us? Oh, it's looking so yummy.
oh, Karishma ma'am, which one do you like? Okay, I will tell you. We can see there are so many eatables here. We have a burger, a shake, pizza, sandwich, soft drink, hot dog, and French fries. Karishma ma'am, which is
Ma'am,
your
my
favorite?
favorite is
These are
burger.
all junk food. Oh, you like burger?
Yes, I'm missing McD burger very much in this lockdown.
Yes, even I miss the pizza a lot. But you know, Karishma ma'am, what is the best thing about these uh, junk food is that we can make them at home. And what is the worst thing about junk food is it is not healthy. So ये हमें खाना अच्छा लगता है, पर हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना चाहिए. Once in a week. You know, Karishma ma'am, we have a rule
Yes,
in our family. One fast food or one junk food in 1 week only.
that's very nice, ma'am. It's not healthy, but we can eat, like you said, once in a week, twice in a month. It up to you. But we don't have to eat it regularly. It's quite unhealthy for us.
Yes, you're right. Okay, let us see what's next. Oh, wow. This looks so yummy, Karishma ma'am. I think this is a bakery.
Yes, we can see a cookie, we can see a bread,
I can
and
see so many chocolate flavored bakery items.
okay, which is your favorite?
You know, I like the puff patties. Have you ever eaten a puff patties?
Yes, I have eaten. It's quite yummy. And you know what? I love chocolate cookies.
Wow. And there are lots and lots of bakery items which our kids also love. They love cake, they love cookies, they love the sweet bun. So there are lots and lots of things which we all like to eat from bakery items. Okay, let us see what is next. Wow, so tempting.
Okay, it's come time of drinks.
Yes.
Okay. When you know,
Which,
I don't love juices, I love shakes.
oh, but I like juices, ma'am. I don't like shakes. Which shake do you like, Karishma, ma'am?
My mama prepares banana milkshake for me and I love it the most. You know, I drink it twice in a week.
Oh, wow. And you know, I like juice, especially the pineapple, orange, mosambi. I like these juices. It refreshes me totally. And it is very good for health.
Yes, it's very healthy. Either it's juice or shake. It's really
Yes.
healthy. One include fruits, one include milk. So we should drink at least once in a day or we can fix it four in a week or 5 times in a week.
Yeah, but then it will be a little hectic schedule for mama.
Ah.
Okay, these are dairy products. Karishma ma'am, would you like to explain about this?
Yes, dairy products which we get from direct from animals like cheese, we have butter, we have milk, we have curd, we have buttermilk. So all these includes dairy product. And I love the most that is cheese. What where
Wow.
yes, I spread cheese on my pizza. I include cheese in my sandwiches, and sometimes my mama includes cheese in my vegetable also because cheese is very healthy for us.
Yes, it is. And you know, the jars, they have eggs also. Egg people eat for having lots of protein. And egg is very beneficial for the growth of the body. My favorite dairy product is paneer because it we can eat that and we can make that at home. You know, Karishma ma'am, my mama prepares paneer at home only.
Yes, even my mama prepares.
Okay, so Karishma ma'am, what is the special dish you can prepare at home?
Okay, yesterday it was my brother's birthday, so I prepared a yummy cake for him.
Wow, you are a chef now. You can make cake.
Yes, earlier I don't used to know, but in lockdown my mama teach me how to make a cake.
Wow. And in lockdown and in past 3 months, I have learned how to make white sauce pasta. I can make it very delicious.
Yes, ma'am, we have learned so many things from my mama in lockdown, and I really enjoyed the cooking very much.
Yes, so kiddos, today you also discover something and try to cook without fire because you're very small. You cannot use the kitchen stove, gas stove. So you can cook without fire. Okay, Karishma ma'am. Now let us read together. So time for the
Reading session.
yes. And as we are talking about food today, so I have a book which says where does our food come from? हमारा जो food है, हम जो भी चीजें खाते हैं, वो कहाँ से आता है? Are you excited to read?
Yes, we daily eat something, but we don't know where it comes from. So it will give us knowledge.
Yes, okay. So let us read that where does our food come from? Okay. What do you eat? Most people eat different kinds of foods. What food do you eat, Karishma ma'am?
Ma'am, I eat fruits and vegetables, which are very healthy for us. I eat pulses, wheat, which mama cooks.
And what food do you not eat?
Junk food. I avoid eating junk food.
Okay. And where do food come from, Karishma ma'am? Do you know?
It comes from the plants.
Yes, and there are many more other places also where we get the food from. We will talk and learn from the book reading. So as you can
Okay.
see, there is a food circle which has lots and lots of food with it. So you can see foods made from grains, जो
Grain.
भी खाना अनाज से बना होता है. You know, आपकी मम्मा चपाती बनाती है ना, that is made from a grain.
Wheat.
And you like dal, you like eating pulses, that is also a
Food.
grains. Yes. And what is this? Milk, cheese, eggs, meat.
Dairy
These are,
products.
yes, these are dairy products. And it is, eggs and meat are a part of non-vegetarian food. So, कुछ लोग इसको खाते हैं, कुछ लोग इसको नहीं खाते हैं. Apart from that, we all like and love to eat fruits and vegetables. Yes?
Yes. And what we
Okay.
have? Okay, we have grain foods. Food
Yes.
made from grains are food we eat every day. Bread, cereal, pasta are all made from grains. Yes,
Yes.
we can,
These,
ma'am, we have a variety in bread also.
yes, I know one is made of maida, the other one is from wheat flour and multigrain also. Multigrain bread also.
Yes. Next we have breads and cereals are made from wheat, corn, oats and rice. We eat corn and rice too, just the way they are. Okay, here we also can see there's a white bread and we have a different bread of bun also for a burger. We can see a bowl of rice and ma'am, corns are very healthy for us.
Yes. They comes in rainy season. Right now it is rainy season, huh? We will start
Yes.
getting corn. Okay. How we grow the grains? Growing grains. Grains are the seeds of grasses. Grain plants grow in huge fields like the ones shown on these pages. आप देख सकते हो, these are all the pictures of fields. ये सब fields के pictures हैं. And those ये जितने भी grains है ना, इसे कौन grow करता है? Farmer. Yes. Whole grains contain every part of the grain. They are the healthiest grains for us to for us to eat. So wheat grains and whatever else grains you eat, they are very healthy to eat. और ये सब farmer grow करते हैं. Now we have vegetables. Karishma ma'am, would you like to take up?
Yes, vegetables are great for us. Lettuce, cabbage, beets, and carrots are some of the vegetables. Which are your favorite vegetable? As I told you, my favorite is
Ladyfinger.
ladyfinger.
And
Yes,
I
because
love
it's
all the
green.
salad vegetables.
Yes, and every vegetable has its own qualities, ma'am. Okay, ask your parents if you can grow a vegetable garden. You will love the fresh tasting foods.
Oh,
Yes, we can grow
wow.
a vegetable, but we need essential things to grow. Everyone can't grow. We need a garden, we need a place, and we have to take care of that fruit growing plant. Right, ma'am? And next we have fabulous fruits. Okay. Fruits do contain many things that our bodies need. Many fruits taste sweet. Strawberry tastes sweet. Yes, we have fruits which taste sweet. Like, okay, they are saying strawberry tastes sweet. We have lychee, we have apple, we have mango, all taste sweet. Next we have
Yes.
apple and some other fruits grow on trees. Yes, I have seen apple tree. I have seen banana tree. And you know what? I have seen coconut tree also. It's very huge.
Wow. And they grow in places that are hot all year long. You know, bananas and oranges grows on trees and many fruits grows on trees. And they are growing in hot and cool places. Different fruits in different places. Okay. We also get food from bees. Wow. Help from bees. Did you know that much of the food we eat needs help from bees? Bees make plants healthier so they can make a lot of food. करिश्मा मैम, हमें हनी बी से क्या मिलता है?
Honey.
Yes, and you drink it, right? You add it to milk or your juice or hot water, right?
Yes, because it's very healthy and good for our neck also.
Yes. Bees fly from flower to flower to collect nectar and pollen. Pollen's a yellow powder plant need to make fruit. Bees take pollen from one plant to another. Taking pollen from plant to plant is called pollination. This bee is pollinating an apple tree. So, Karishma ma'am and kiddos, बीज जो होती है ना वो क्या करती है फ्लावर के बिल्कुल सेंटर पार्ट से पॉलन ग्रीन्स को पिक करती हैं और नेक्टर को सक करती है. What is nectar? Nectar is the liquid present in the flowers. Flowers में जो जूस होता है ना उसे हनी बीज और जो बीज होती हैं वो सक कर लेती हैं, चूस लेती हैं. And then they sit on another flower and leave it there and left it there. और जब वो उसको वहां छोड़ देती हैं, so this process from one flower to another flower is called as pollination. Okay, let us see what is next. Sweet plants. Bees help plants grow and they also make honey. So अभी जैसे हमें करिश्मा मैम ने बताया honey bee से हमें honey मिलती है. They make honey from the nectar in flowers. Honey is sweet and yummy. Taste is sweet. मीठा मीठा होता है और बहुत tasty होता है. Another sweet liquid that comes from plants is maple syrup. Yes, बाहर की countries में एक बहुत special type का tree होता है, that is maple tree. And from that, the bees collect the maple syrup. Maple syrup is made from the sweet sap of maple tree. Maple sap drips out of a maple tree into a pail. The sap is then boiled until it becomes syrup. तो क्या करते हैं ट्री से उस लिक्विड को सक करते हैं, निकालते हैं, एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं और फिर उसको बॉईल करते हैं. जैसे मम्मा हॉट वाटर बॉईल करती है ना, पानी को गर्म करती है गैस स्टोव पे रख के, वैसे ही वो उसको भी बॉईल करते हैं जब तक कि वो एक सिरप के रूप में चेंज नहीं हो जाता। मेपल सिरप टेस्ट ग्रेट ऑन पैनकेक, और पैनकेक पे आते हैं उसको पैनकेक के साथ। फूड्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स, सो जो भी डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वो हमें एनिमल्स से मिलते हैं। लेट अस सी, मीट, मिल्क, चीज एंड एग्स आर फूड दैट कम्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स। तो जितने भी खाने हैं हम यहाँ देख पा रहे हैं ना पिक्चर्स में, चीज हो गया, पनीर, मिल्क, दूध, बटर, ये सब किससे मिलता है हमको? ये सब हमें मिलता है एनिमल्स के थ्रू। व्हाट आर दोज एनिमल्स? काउ, गोट एंड buffalo, hen gives us eggs. So with the help of these animals, we get the dairy products. Cheese and butter are made from milk. Cow and goat gives us milk. ये आंसर तो हमारे सारे बच्चों को पता है कि काऊ और गोट हमें मिल्क देती है, और उस मिल्क से हम बटर और चीज बनाते हैं। करिश्मा मैम, who gives us egg?
Yes, and I love milkshake which Mama prepares for me by milk, and milk I get from cow.
Wow. Eggs come from chicken. Eggs are a great breakfast food. और एग हमें चिकन से मिलता है, और उससे बहुत यमी यमी ब्रेकफास्ट बनाते हैं। Healthy choices. Some foods are healthier than other foods. Here are some healthy food choices for you. Yogurt. Yogurt is curd. दही को कहते हैं। Whole grain pasta and bread. Wow. मतलब आटे का भी पास्ता बन सकता है, और ब्रेड भी बनती है आटे की। Fruits of all kinds, beans of all kinds, fresh vegetables grown in our garden. So ये
Yes,
सब
ma'am.
healthy
And
food
it is
है।
said that we should eat curd or we should drink buttermilk at least once a day.
Yes, you are right. And did you know some vegetables are fruits also? Fruits grown from flowers and they contain seeds. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers are just some of the fruits we eat as vegetables. Which other veggies have seeds? ये आपका होमवर्क है आज, ओके किडोस। आपको ऐसी वेजिटेबल्स सर्च करनी है जिसके अंदर सीड होता है, बीज होता है, जिसे हम खाते नहीं है। Okay, Karishma ma'am. So here we finish our book and time for the quiz. So are you ready?
Quiz. Yes, I'm
Okay.
ready.
Which food is not a grain? Hamburger.
Hamburger. Yes, it's not a grain, it's complete food.
Where food comes from? Which food is not a vegetable? Banana is not a
Okay.
vegetable.
Banana is the fruit.
Apple grow on bushes, vines or trees?
Trees. Trees.
Yes. Okay. Where do bees do for plants? What do bees do for plants? Plants के लिए क्या करती है? Make plants healthier, kill plants or eat plants?
Make
I
plants
think
healthier.
yes. Pollination के through, ma'am. What do bee make? Bees क्या बनाती हैं?
Honey.
Yes, you are right.
Honeybee
What
makes honey.
food is not a healthy choice? Which food is not healthy, Karishma ma'am?
Chips.
Yogurt, fruit or
Chips
chips?
is junk. Yes.
Yes. I think you have got 100% marks. Very good, Karishma ma'am. So it's a time for a short break. Drink lots of water. We will be right back.
Bye bye.
Okay, so we are back after a short break, and now time for the Kahoot game. So I know you love to play these games, as from these games you increase your knowledge. So what is the topic for today's game? That is healthy food. So today we are going to talk about healthy food, and we will play a game. Are you ready, kiddos? You have to help me today for giving the answers. All right. So let us start our game. I have typed my name here, and let's go and play this game. 2, One, go. Which of the following snacks is healthier? Chips, cookies and milk, apple slices, or chocolate bar? Which one is healthier? Please tell me. Okay, I will tell you. Apple slices are healthier. Okay, let us see what's next. Hmm. Protein is found in protein is found in meat. Which food has protein? ओके हमको पता है कि नॉन वेज फूड में प्रोटीन होता है सो बाउल ऑफ सीरियल नो चिप्स नो लेट्यूस एंड टोमेटो नो इट्स चिकन सैंडविच ओके लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन sugary drinks are bad for teeth which should we drink तो फिर हमें कौन सा ड्रिंक पीना चाहिए किडोस वाटर पॉप जूस और हॉट चॉकलेट I think juice or water. Let's go for juice. Oh, that was water because juice also has sugar. Let's go to the next. Which food has the most vitamins? कौन से खाने में सबसे ज्यादा विटामिन होते हैं? Cake? No. Pizza? No. Cheeseburger? No. So it's fruit salad. Okay, let us see the next question. What is one way to be active and stay healthy? Take naps, rest on the couch, watch TV and exercise every day. कौन सी चीज से हम सबसे ज्यादा हेल्दी रह सकते हैं? By exercising every day. Okay, let us see what is next. What does private mean? Share with everyone? No. Telling a secret? No. Just for me. Hugging each other. Private means जब हम कोई चीज सिर्फ अपने तक रखते हैं. So just for me. Okay, let's see what next. Which is not an active sport. Video game is not an active sport. Na? Hockey is active sport. Dance is also active sport. And baseball is active sport. Only video games we play by sitting at one place. So it is not an active sport. Okay, let us see what next. Which is the healthiest breakfast? Breakfast healthiest pop-tart, pizza, cereal or cake? I think it's cereal. Cake, pizza, pop-tart खाने से हम healthy थोड़ी बनेंगे. Let us opt for cereals. Oh, it's right. Let us see the next question. How many hours of sleep should you get each night? कितने घंटे सोना चाहिए kiddos? 2 hours? No. 24 hours? No. 4 hours? No. We should sleep for 8 hours a day. कम से कम 8 घंटे सोना चाहिए रात को. आप लोग जल्दी नहीं सोते हैं ना? Then you feel sleepy in class. Okay, next question is how can you tell if you're sick? Runny nose, lots of energy, eating lots, you get bigger. I think runny nose. जब हमारी नाक चलती है, runny nose, that means we are sick. Okay, let's see the next question. What do you do to keep your teeth healthy? Brush them, eat candy, nothing or smile. We brush them. Yes. So kiddos, how was your game? Did you enjoy the game? Yes. I hope you must have learned so many things from it. And we will continue this game tomorrow again. Okay. Right now we have one more activity. Okay, so we are back after a short break and we have done lots of masti with Karishma ma'am. Now it's the time for some drawing. So, what is the topic of the day today? We are talking about foods and eatables. So, I think we should draw something related with eatables only. Kiddos, what do you love the most to eat in breakfast? आपको मम्मा कुछ देती होंगी ना सुबह सुबह to drink? Yes, that is milk. And what do we love to eat with milk? Cookies. Yes. So today we are going to draw a glass of milk and some cookies. Are you excited? Okay. So let us learn how to draw it.
Over here on the left side so we have room for our cookie.
Okay.
And we're going to draw two lines and they're going to get closer towards the bottom. So we're going to draw them right next to each other. Draw. Oh, we're going to draw big. And I'm going to draw another one over here.
I love
See?
milk.
Yeah. And we're going to draw a big one. Yeah. It's going to be a tall glass of milk.
Right here?
Yeah, that's a good spot. I like how towards the bottom we get closer. Then down here, we're going to connect with a curve. So we're going to come down and then.
Okay, so as you can see, they have drawn two standing lines, a little tilted one, थोड़ा सा tilted standing line बनाया है इन्होंने. So it is not exactly a slant line and neither it is a standing line. So we will draw two tilted line downwards. Yes. And then we will join them with a curve at the bottom. You want to see what Akshara ma'am has drawn? I will show you. See, this is how we draw a glass. We'll draw one slant line, a little slant tilted line, and the other one, and then we will join with a curve. Now let us see what next.
Back up. Now we're going to draw an oval up here to connect these two lines. So we're going to start here. We're going to draw a curve that comes around, connects, but then we're going to keep going and back. Kind of tricky.
Yeah, now it looks like a cup.
Yeah, doesn't it? Looks like a 3D cup. Can you try it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you did it just
Okay,
perfect.
so now
Okay,
they
now we
are
need to draw the-
drawing one oval shape on the top. So that is the top of your glass. Yes, so we will join with a big curve over the top of the glass and then one more curve for the glass top. तो आप दो कर्व में ओवल शेप में उसका ग्लास का टॉप बनाएंगे. Let us see what
milk
next.
inside. So we're going to draw two more lines, but they're not going to go all the way to the top. We're going to start right here. We're going to draw a line that comes down right next to it. And we can do the same thing on the other side also. Draw another line right next to the edge. Yep, one on the other side. Good. Okay, now down here, we're going to draw another curve that goes along the first one. This is the milk inside of our cup.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now up at the top, let's draw a wavy line to connect the two. So I'm going to draw a line that comes down, back up, down, and then back up and touch. Okay, what should we draw next?
A cookie.
Yeah, let's draw.
Oh, a tattoo.
Okay, so you can see I have drawn the same way this. Yes, you can see I have drawn a slant line similar with the first one and then one more and then I have drawn a wavy line on the top of it. So this will be showing the milk in the glass. Now let us see what next they are going to draw. All right. So now they are drawing cookie. Okay.
Big cookies are better than small cookies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Draw a circle, but we're going to draw a bumpy circle so that it looks like a cookie.
Yeah.
So start here, and we're going to draw a bumpy line. Comes around.
That's a big cookie.
Oh, it's a super big cookie. Big cookies are better than small cookies.
Yeah.
Before we add the chocolate chips to our cookie, what should we draw?
The face.
Yeah, let's draw some funny faces. So let's draw 2 circles on each one. So we'll draw a big circle here and another big circle over here for the funny face on our milk. And I'm going to draw 2
Oh
circles.
wow,
on
they
the
are
cookie.
going to draw funny faces for the milk glass and for the
Nice.
cookie as
Okay, now
well.
in the top of each eye, let's draw a smaller circle. And then I'm going to draw an even smaller circle down here in the bottom left of each eye. And if we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video to take extra time. Now we're going to fast forward this next part. We're going to color in
Okay,
each of the
so
eyes.
you can see we have drawn a circle for the cookie and we have drawn 2 eyes giving the face for the milk glass and for the cookie. So आप ऐसे छोटे छोटे circles draw कर सकते हो और milk glass और cookie की eyes भी बना सकते हो. Let us see what next.
Black, but we're going to leave the smaller circles white.
Yes.
Okay, now let's draw the mouth. I'm going
Okay,
to draw
they are
a
coloring
funny
the
sideways mouth
eyes.
for the milk. Little line off to the side, and then a cheek line on the
And
left.
then a mustache.
Okay. Got to add mustaches to everything. I'm going to add eyebrows. So I'm going to add little eyebrows over here. And then also on our cookie, I'm going to make her
Eyelashes.
have eyelashes. The cookie is a girl and the milk is a boy. Maybe they're married.
Yeah, that's how you
Because-
dip them. They're like kissing when you dip the cookie in milk.
Yeah, maybe they're kissing. That's how they kiss. You dip the cookie in the milk. All right, so I'm gonna give her a little cute mouth like that. Okay, now for the milk, I'm gonna add little bubbles in here inside of the milk.
Now it's gonna be Sprite.
Oh yeah, maybe that makes it look like Sprite. And then for the cookie, I'm gonna add other little shapes in here for the chocolate chips. She's sweet, just like you.
Big chocolate chip. Tiny chocolate chip.
And then one last thing, we got to add a cute little bow for our cookie. So I'm going to add a little box on the top. And I'm going to diagonal line up and then curve down. Diagonal line up, curve down. And then I'm also going to add another little line like this so that her bow looks 3D. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our cookies and milk. What should we do next?
Color.
Yeah, she's going to.
Okay, so what is next? We are going to do the coloring. So you can see even my cookie and glass is ready and I can do lots and lots of coloring. So kiddos, you also bring your colors and we will do some coloring in the glass of milk and the cookie. So आपने जो भी फ्लेवर का कुकी बनाया हो आप उसको उस अकॉर्डिंग कलर कर सकते हैं. Like you like chocolate chip cookie, so you will turn it to the brown color. And milk, what is the color of milk? The color of milk is white. So we will just leave the milk glass white. And I'm going to draw and I'm going to color the cookie with lots and lots of brown color. Okay. What else? What else flavor cookies do we eat? Can you tell me in the chat box? Mama must be cooking you different flavors cookies, right? जैसे हम cinnamon flavor की cookie खाते हैं और हम cardamom flavor की cookie भी खाते हैं, इलायची biscuits होते हैं. There are lots of cookies flavor which we get from the bakeries and of different shapes. और अब तो बहुत अलग-अलग shapes के molds भी आते हैं ना cookies को बनाने के लिए. So you can use the molds also. So ma'am, cookie is of chocolate chip flavor and ma'am is just doing the coloring, lots and lots of coloring, scribbling. And you know what else we have drawn? We have drawn a bow to cookie. Can you see? We have drawn a bow, right? So I'm going to color it with green color, green and orange. So I'm drawing it with green. I'm coloring it with green color and some orange in between. And I'm going to fill my glass because milk color is white. So milk को color हम नहीं करेंगे, but हम glass को तो color कर सकते हैं ना. I am turning my glass color as pink today because I like pink. You can do your favorite color also. आप अपना favorite color कर सकते हो. You want to see what is Akshara ma'am doing? Okay, close your eyes and count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here you go. This is ma'am's glass of milk with chocolate chip cookie. So you can have it, all yours. So thank you for today's class. I hope you enjoyed and keep enjoying your day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.